Welcome to our channel. This is Candace, one mom with a plan. On this channel, we invite you along for our travel adventures from the planning to the destination. Today, we're at the Cook Museum of Natural Science in Decatur, Alabama. So come along. You're gonna make a volcano too? Okay.
I'm making a ginormous volcano. This is just so cool.
Lots of things. Now, do you girls have some Hi, we're here at Cook's Museum of Natural Science in Decatur, Alabama. Yesterday we were at the U.S. Space and Rocket Museum, and if you're going to overnight in this area, this is a fantastic day adventure for the kiddos. So come join us as we travel through the Cook Museum. What a cool and fun museum. Life is amazing. Here we go in this really fun new museum. We've never been here before. Let's taste. That's close.
How weird if they didn't shake their face. There. Okay, the male. So the male turkey has a beard.
Oh, yeah.
And that's his beard that hangs down there. So every time you see a turkey in the museum, we have three. You can see if you can figure out if it's a male or female.
Hey, Addison, come hit the button and watch what happens to the snake.
Ready?
Oh, that's wild.
But, you know, to each his
Mama,
own.
no, come here. You'll see all
Now,
the
we will not harvest this honey because in order to harvest it, we would have to destroy the whole comb to get it out. And unlike a regular bee box where just you've got the form they build onto, we would destroy the whole. So we're not going to do that. This is our fifth colony of bees that we've had since, I think, 2000. And the third colony we had built 80% of what you see. The present colony has not had to build
Now
anything.
entering looking up. Welcome to the world of space. This spinning rock called Earth is just right for life. Here we go. I'm gonna try and pick up a meteorite. Here we go. Is it heavy?
Yeah, it's not light.
We have just entered foundations. We've got a weather center, patterns of change, biomes, which is exactly what Addison's studying. going to the ocean. Thank you for greeting us, Mr. Pelican. Here we go. Our next area.
Looks like we're in the woods.
Welcome to the wonderful world of insects. Here we go. Just finished visiting Cook's Museum here in Decatur, Alabama. We had a great time. The family had a blast. I think this is a great place, not only for children, but adults as well. For the cost and the experience that you got, it was fantastic. All the guides inside did great as far as giving us information and making it educational and fun for the kiddos. Add this to your list. It's a great stop.